Incorporate traditional joinery techniques into your projects with the speed, precision, and repeatability only multi-router can deliver. Your material is clamped to a cast and machined table that moves side to side and in and out. Precision linear bearings riding on ground and polished shafts ensure true linear motion. The router is mounted to a second cast and machine table that moves up and down. You have true 3-axis linear control. With the vertical table locked, you can work the stock back and forth while feeding in to depth. Make one board with the cut in the center, and a second creating shoulders. And you've cut a bridle joint in just a couple minutes. You can take multi-router's 3-axis control to another level by taking advantage of the templates that are available for it. The templates mount to the front edge of the horizontal table. Then you follow the templates with this stylus by moving the horizontal table and the vertical table at the same time. Here we've created a tenon with rounded ends that fits a router cut mortise perfectly. Now I've swapped the tenon template for a dovetail template, and I'm cutting through dovetails. First the tails, then switch the templates and cut the pins. There are templates for 2 different sizes of through dovetails, box joints, and 15 sizes of tenons, all using this same concept of simply following the template with the stylus. If all that isn't enough to get your creative energy flowing, let me throw some gasoline on the fire. The horizontal table tilts. Now you can create mortise and tenon joints at compound angles. The complicated joinery found in chairs, stools, and benches sets up in minutes and is easy to repeat. And now the multi-router includes standard dust collection. Just look at the difference. Whether you're a professional looking to shave hours off production runs, or a hobbyist looking to take your projects to a new level of sophistication and quality, the multi-router is right for you. Order yours today.